Hello friend, how are you? Hope everyone fine and safe. My name is Muhammad Shafiqul Alam. I am from Bangladesh. Recently I meet with Mr. Chris Tong. Chris, he is the who working in Happy Vietnam visa company, and he will make our all documents legalize and my visa extend, and then I get family card for 2 years, and he is the best company for the visa extend or documents legalize or work permit or family card, whatever you want. So if anyone need to make this family card, work permit, whatever, then I think you will be contact with Mr. Chris. He is the best, and Happy Vietnam company is the best because they are very cooperation, and I want to thanks to Mr. Chris once again for cooperation and supporting us for visa extend and get family card for 2 years. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay home, and pray for everyone. Thank you.